Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our video project. First of all, we would like to thank our lecturer for giving us this assignment. Today, we are making a video for Project 1 English Conversation 1 from the Faculty of Communication and Language at Universitas Biasarna Informatika.
Guys, right, Ryan. Hello, everyone, and hello to our listener. We are very excited to do this project today. Before we dive into the main topic, how are you doing today, Ryan? Are you feeling good?
I'm doing great, Farid. Thanks for asking. A bit tired too, because as you know, our schedule is pretty tight between working in the morning and attending classes at night. But being here with you to record this video gives me some energy. How about you, bro? How's your day going so far?
I totally feel you, Ryan. I am the somewhat working from morning until afternoon.
Exactly. We really have to manage our time well. By the way, the weather today is quite hot, right? It makes me want to just stay at home, but that's because we have to get that excellent grade, for this project, right?
That's why we need to speak clearly, pay attention to our grammar, and the most importantly, enjoy the conversation. So I think the camera is rolling, the audio is clear, we need are ready. Shall we start introducing ourselves to the audience?
Yes, let's do it. Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm happy to be here and talk with you today.
Hello Ryan, my name is Muhammad Farid, but you can just call me Farid.
When talking about myself, I'm a friendly person and I like helping others. I'm also pretty calm when facing situations.
I sound normal. I also feel shy sometimes when meeting new people.
Yeah, that's true. Even so, I still try to stay confident.
Some here. I also try to be confident.
So, what about you, Rit?
I am the type of the person who like trying new things. I also enjoy learning many things of improve my skill.
Totally agree. Trying new things help us gain new skills.
By the way, do you have any hobby, bro?
Yeah, I have several hobbies. I like playing drums, watching football match, and jogging.
Wow, that's quite complete from music and sport.
Yoi, because I think hobbies are important to keep our minds fresh.
Totally agree. Shane, when have you been playing drums?
Yes, quite a long time. I often play as a drummer at church events.
That's really cool if you can play music instrument. Why you favorite music genre?
Hip hop.
Why hip hop?
I don't know, bro. It's just sound fun and fits my ears. What about your hobbies?
I like playing football, futsal, playing games, and jogging.
Wow, you're pretty active too.
Yoi, especially futsal, but lately I've been enjoy jogging more.
Same here. I like jogging too. Maybe we can jogging together sometime.
Sure, where should we jogging, GBK?
So what games do you usually play?
Usually football games.
Which one, FIFA or eFootball?
I personally prefer football over FIFA because the playing feel less stiff.
Do you usually play on the phone or PC?
I am better on mobile than on PC.
I'm the opposite. I'm more comfortable playing on PC than mobile.
What game do you play on PC?
Football games too, but FIFA because there are more skill you can do there.
So we both like football then.
Yeah.
I am curious, what your favorite club?
My favorite club is Manchester United.
Mine Chelsea.
What do you like Chelsea?
I think it started when I used to play my PlayStation
Yeah.
and always pick Chelsea. Since then, Chelsea has become my favorite club. What about you? Why do you like Manchester United?
At first, because I like the color red, and when I was little, my parents bought me an MU jersey. Since then, I've support MU until now.
Turn out we're not that different. We started liking your favorite club because of small things that become meaningful over time.
Speaking of Chelsea, I saw on Instagram that Chelsea is going on an Asia tour to Indonesia and will play against AC Milan. Aren't you going to watch it, Red?
But I still haven't gotten a ticket and I don't know where to buy one.
That would be such a shame if you miss it, especially since Chelsea is coming to Indonesia.
Yeah, true. Especially because the last time Chelsea tour Indonesia was probably in 2013. Doesn't MU have Asia tour too? I think they toured ASEAN before, but only one to Singapore and didn't come to Indonesia.
Hopefully, they'll come to Indonesia someday. If that happens, I'll definitely watch them live.
Set collect. What do you usually do, bro?
I work from morning until evening, and then I go to college at night.
Some here, I also working in the morning and continue collect in afternoon. Studying while working is really exhausting.
That's true. We have to manage our time between work and college, especially when there are assignments too.
Yeah, true. But it's also fun because studying will working give us experience and story to tell.
Wow, it doesn't feel like our conversation has already become this long.
Yeah, it's turned out you casual conversation like this are really fun.
From today's conversation, we realized that we have several things in common.
Like we both like football, sport, and learning new things.
Hopefully, in the future, we can keep growing and achieve our dream.
Amin.
See you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.